In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project roles in Jira. This is a crucial skill for anyone involved in managing projects with Jira, as it allows you to define specific roles and responsibilities within your team, ensuring a seamless workflow and enhanced project management. To get started, you'll want to navigate through the Jira interface, which, as some of you may know, is quite comprehensive. First, you need to go into the system settings. You'll find this option generally in the admin icon or under the gear icon in Jira. Once there, you'll look for the section that pertains to security. This is where you'll find the project roles feature. Project roles in Jira are key as they define what users can do within each project, setting the boundaries and access levels based on their role. After you've found the project roles section, you'll see an option to add a new role. This is where things get interesting. Enter into the add project role field the name of the role you wish to create. Choose a name that clearly represents the responsibilities of this role within your project. For example, you might want a role that's titled Project Coordinator or QA Lead. The choice is entirely yours, guided by your project's requirements. Along with the name, a brief description will help clarify the purpose of this role, along with any specific permissions or tasks associated with it. The description serves as a guide not just for you, but for anyone else managing the project, providing a cohesive understanding of what each role encompasses. Once you've carefully filled in both the name and the description fields for the new role, you're ready for the final step. This involves clicking the Add Project Role button to finalize the creation of your role. This step might seem straightforward, but it's the culmination of your efforts in defining a necessary part of your project structure. Once this role is added, you can assign members of your team to this role, thereby granting them the specific permissions and responsibilities within the scope of your project. Creating project roles in Jira is a straightforward process, but it's one that holds great significance in shaping how your project is managed and executed. It provides clear demarcations of responsibility while maintaining an organized structure that can greatly enhance productivity and project oversight. So the next time you find yourself managing a project in Jira, remember that taking the time to create well-defined project roles can make all the difference in the success of your project. That concludes our walkthrough of creating project roles in Jira. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials that will help elevate your project management capabilities.